I just wanted to show y'all where it sits on me. 10 inches. I'm gonna show y'all the back too. Hey guys, y'all should already know what type of video this is. I'm about to put this wig on right here. This wig is Daenerys 10-inch water wave wig. I got this wig off of Amazon. It was, I think, $86. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. But it came with this comb. And all I did to this wig, literally, all I did was pluck it. So since I didn't tint the knots or bleach the knots, I'm going to put some more foundation on my brush. I like doing foundation rather than powder because the powder is a little bit too white for my liking. Like, it is really white. I don't like that. I also have a spray that I made. This is just the foundation color mixed with alcohol. Usually I like to blow dry this dry, but I don't have my blow dryer with me. It's at school. So I'm just gonna have to let this air dry. What I found with this is that you can wash this a zillion times after you put this foundation spray on and it will not come out. So you won't have to keep doing this. This is a one and done process. Now I'm just gonna swing this back and forth to let it dry. Okay, it's pretty good now. So I'm just gonna cut the lace off from the back right here. I just cut that off. Now I'm gonna try the wig on. Oh guys, I could tell I'm gonna love this wig already. This wig came with the middle part already. This is pretty good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, I know I have clips, there we go, is I'm going to clip this back. Oh! I take my Bold Hold Skin Protectant. I'm going to be applying 4 layers of this glue, and I'm gonna wait in between each layer until each layer gets clear. So I'm just gonna speed up this process for you guys because this part is pretty boring. So the glue still has a couple white spots, but I'm going to put it on now. So I'm basically pushing the lace into the glue with the comb. And since I don't have a blow dryer, this is gonna be harder for it to set, but it's still gonna set. I've laid my wigs down without a blow dryer before. It's just, I would prefer a blow dryer.
AB on the track, yeah.
I'm gonna do this side off camera just because this side is always hard for me to do, so I'm gonna just do it off camera. I'm gonna take my Got to Be mousse that I love so much. And I'm just going to put edges on this side as well, but I'm gonna leave my middle like right here, free from edges, just because that's always like the look that I've been rocking recently. Okay, so I just did this side off camera because I was kind of struggling.
AB on the track, yeah.
Oh wow, this texture is beautiful. And look, it already comes in a bob. Like, this is really cute. This is really cute. Not even gonna lie. Daenerys, y'all did that. And for only $80 something, y'all really did that. I'm just gonna put more mousse right here. And I also have this product by Beautiful Textures. It's called Moisture Butter Whipped Curl Cream. I know this is like expensive or whatever, well, expensive-ish, and you should like use inexpensive products on your hair, but it's what I have and it smells good, so it's gonna make up for the fact that I didn't wash this hair, even though this hair doesn't stink at all. So this is what it is looking like, y'all. Wow, me installed this in under an hour. I'm proud of myself because I usually take long. Okay, so my lashes are on, lip gloss is on. I am loving this, actually. I've been fiending for a bob, so I think that's why I'm like really loving it. But it moves, it's not stiff, like it feels so good, it's soft. I haven't been getting a lot of shedding, and I haven't been getting tangling, so. I do recommend this wig, guys. 10 out of 10. For now, I will give you guys, ooh, do y'all see? I can't, because the movement is like giving me so much life, so much life. I barely have to move for this wig to move, you feel me? Like, I could just... Nah, but this wig is super, super cute, and it's 10 inches, so let me show y'all. I'm not naked. Okay, yes I am, but we're gonna ignore that. I just wanted to show y'all where it sits on me. 10 inches. I'm gonna show y'all the back too. All right, let me put this on because I'm not naked, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all the length, like compared to shoulders. So it's just touching, it's not even touching my shoulders. Whatever this part is called is just touching that. So yeah, it's a really good length. I'm loving it. The movement is giving me so much life. It has volume. Like, it's not thin, as y'all can see. It's not thin at all. What else? Swipe up. I mean, this is not Snapchat. Make sure you guys check out the description bar and click the link. Just check it out if you know are interested in buying this wig. It's really cute. It's really affordable. Did I say it was really cute already? Nah, but for real. Thank you, lovely people, for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and please turn on the post notification bell so that you can stay tuned for all my next videos. Thank you. Bye.